If you have a business or planong magtayo ng business, then you definitely need a website. If you want to know more, please keep on watching. Hi everyone, my name is Lester and welcome to another digital marketing video. Sa channel to, we talk about tech life and digital marketing. So if you're interested with those topics, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell para update ka sa mga videos. Sa video na ito, explain ko sa inyo kung bakit sobrang importante ng website para sa isang business. Applicable to new organizations or even sa mga business na matatagal nang nag-exist. By the way, this video is part of a playlist. Gumawa na ako ng mga videos before about websites. Check the description box below or yung cards natin above para naman ma-check nyo yung mga previous topics. Check nyo yung video ko about how much is the cost of websites in the Philippines. So with that out of the way, let's proceed with reason number 1. One of the most important reason why you need a website is because ito na yung ating marketing hub and ito yung magagamit natin to attract new customers. Most potential customers are actually spending their time online, whether researching for the products, reading reviews, before making their decisions to buy. So it just makes sense that you have a proper online presence through your website. But you might be saying, Lester, may mga social media channels naman at libre pa siya. I agree. Social media actually helps the online presence as well. Pero later on, I'll tell you more about the advantages of a website that you own compared to putting everything on a social media channel. Pero yung significant na reason why you need a website aside from your social media channels is yung tinatawag na SEO or Search Engine Optimization. So ano ba siya? So the idea is through SEO, pwede nating ma-rank yung mga web pages natin sa Google para when people are searching for the products and services that you offer, you'll actually rank on Google. And that's a good thing kasi people don't usually click on the next pages ng search results. One of the most common ways para makita ka ng mga potential customers mo is for you to show up on the front page of Google kapag may nag-search sa mga products and services na ino-offer mo. And you can do this more effectively kapag mayroon kang sariling website. The number 2 reason why you definitely need a website is it is instant credibility. Maraming customers ngayon, ginajudge nila yung brand depende sa design and what they see on your website. So they look at maganda ba yung design, ano ba yung content, madali ba i-navigate. Kumbaga the impression that your website gives your potential customers can have a huge impact if they'll do business with you or not. So part of credibility is yung having social proof. So sa website mo, you can display all your portfolio, your previous works, your awards. Kumbaga ito yung proof that you are capable and qualified to deliver the products and services that your customers are looking for. These days, having websites is no longer a nice to have. It's actually an expectation for your customer. If your competitors have a website, in most cases, your potential customer will just go to them. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Please make sure to stay until the end of the video kasi yung last tip natin will probably be the most important tip. So, stay well for that. The number 3 reason why you should have a website is nowadays, it's easy and very affordable. Gone are the days na kailangan mong i-code from scratch yung mga websites. Meron tayong mga tinatawag na CMS or Content Management Systems where you can actually build a whole website without coding. Depende kung mayroon kang experience with design and writing contents, you may not need to hire a full team anymore kapag kailangan mo ng website these days. So, it's very affordable and easier to build. So, whether you need to put a lot of articles or blog posts or mga videos or mga graphics or display your expertise, then all of that can be done with CMSs without coding. Let me know in the comment section below kung bakit wala ka pang website or kung may website ka na, give this video a thumbs up and share para naman mas makatulong pa sa mga ibang small businesses na wala pang website. Number 4 reason why you need a website is makakatulong siya for you to save money long term. What do I mean? As I've said, you can display all the information that your potential customers might need. You can also do that for your employees. If you have a lot of employees, if you have a lot of information, hindi mo na kailangan na you have to have like face-to-face communication or hand over the documents kasi all of that can be done online. And you can also do that on your website. And with your customers, if they need information, you can simply put that on a website and you're saving both you and your customers a lot of time and effort. Part of saving money is your website actually stays on 24/7. It's both customer service, sales, and support. Nandun siya palagi. It's always awake. If they have frequently asked questions, you can put that on your website. And as I've said, it's available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You and your employees can focus more on other more important business matters. Last but not the least, a very important reason why you should have a website is you help you position yourself as an authority and stay in control of your brand. Sabi nga nila, your brand is the heart and soul of your business. The things you will do online with your website will ultimately determine your image online. Whether you're a reputable brand, trustworthy professional, or a brand that people should avoid. You have so much control over all these narratives if you have your own website. That's how you can differentiate having your social media and your own website. Social media is a great way to share things and bring traffic to your website, pero you don't actually own what's in there. This happens before, like yung mga site like Vine, yung Multiply, Friendster. So there's a lot of other social medias na nawala na. And if you don't back it up, then lahat ng traction na nakuha mo doon is mawawala na lang. And that's one of the biggest advantage of owning your website, kasi you can always back it up, you can always move to another hosting, security. So having your own website is some sort of assurance. So that's it. 5 extremely important reasons why your business needs a website. Attract new customers, instant credibility, it's easy and affordable, save you time and money, and ultimately have control over your online reputation. So I hope this helped. If you need more help about websites and digital marketing in general, just let me know. You can reach me on my social media channels, the description box below. And you can also use the comment section down below and let's chat. I'll be happy to help. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.